What are we looking at?
We're looking at a big plane.
We are looking at a B-52 bomber.
Whoa!
And we're gonna go check this out.
Plane from the airport.
Yes, it is.
Did Mom walk here?
So we're down by the airfields in Rome, and they've got a nice little memorial set up here. We were driving by, and we just on a whim thought we'd come check it out.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool.
I mean, that's pretty cool, I think.
They had this Memorial Day bell.
Yeah, they do. Look at that.
Ding, ding, ding. So they when it was Memorial Day.
Maybe. Okay. We'll keep plugging along here. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
That is a U.S. Air Force cruise missile. And it's bigger than people realize, I think.
Yeah.
How about that? What do you think of that, girls?
It's amazing.
Don't want that to come hit your house.
Look.
Yeah, where are we at?
We are at a hiking trail. Looks like there's a sign and hang up after your pets.
We are at Pine Pitch Bog, and this is the nature trail and recreational area set up by the local Boy Scouts. And we have covered ourselves in all the bug spray because it is quite buggy this morning in the shade, but at least it's nice and cool.
Yeah. At least when we have to walk over on walk. The first thing we just went over was a bridge. The first bridge.
Yeah,
And there was a trail marking back there on a tree.
and we're gonna see what we find because honestly, I don't know much about this, but we're gonna take a look, and it's supposed to be scenic, and it came very highly recommended online. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll find something interesting. Bridge.
Yeah, there's not any water in it.
Yeah, well, we haven't had much rain.
Dad, what's a ravine?
Well, it's a little area where the water is eroded away the banks and made a little trough that the river flows in.
We need some rain, right, Daddy?
We badly need some rain, because if you can see, guys, this creek is all dried up on both sides, which doesn't seem to have deterred the mosquitoes at all, but that's the nature of the universe. And now we're going up a hill. Oh. Wait up, guys! Hey guys, look at the pretty flowers.
These have been pollination.
A lot of these kinds of plants only grow in these kind of weird, damp places like this.
What are those?
All kinds of wetland in here.
Yeah, there's mushrooms.
Yeah, look at those.
Going on trees?
Let's go see what else we can find.
I didn't know mushrooms go on.
Yeah, this ain't sketchy at all. Walk on the logs out into the swamp. Where have I brought us?
We'll have to walk for the water.
Yeah, it's really cool back in here, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Hey, guys, we got a sign coming up.
Yeah, I wonder what it says.
Well, let's go find out.
Let's read it. Buzzing in my ears. Yeah, I don't know if they're bees. They could be the bugs. Hey, look, there's 2 ways to go.
Yeah, we've got a brook trail and we got the bog trail. So which one do you...
Brook trail. It has a little bridge and I want to go on it.
We want to go on the brook trail?
Yeah, brook trail.
Well, maybe after that, if it's not too hot, we'll check out the bog trail too while we're here. We got plenty of time.
Yeah, since we're not in the hotel anymore.
Onward.
Onward.
And looks like we got another little bridge coming up.
Yay! Let's sail across the bridge with my bee friends.
Yes, another bridge over mud. You gotta love it. Though I must say this is one of the best maintained trails I've been on in some time. What do you guys think? Is it pretty well maintained?
Yeah.
Well, so far so good on our little hike. I wish Kathleen was with us, but she got roped into working out here, which is the whole reason we're out in Midwestern New York. So we're going to keep plugging along and continue on the brook trail here, see if we find something interesting, and hopefully we'll be able to share it with you guys. Stay tuned. Our little walk here this morning.
Really fun. bug.
Yeah, thank God for the bug spray, or else we would have gotten eaten alive by the horseflies back in there. I don't think any of us actually got bit, but they harassed us the entire time.
Yeah, I did not like it. One just went like right to my ankles in time.
Yeah, there were a couple bouncing off of my nose and my face the entire time.
Yeah, that's why Dad was running like trying to kill it with his hat.
Yeah, I got a little frustrated there for a couple minutes. Anyways, we're going to go try and figure out what we're doing next, and we'll go from there, because we're just kind of freelancing today and making it up as we go. So, you'll know what we're doing as soon as we know what we're doing.
So we are here, and we're going to be going on a sculpture trail, an art trail. We're going to be looking at all the old art things.
Yep.
The sculpture. We saw them yesterday, and we thought they were so cool. So we decided that we're going to come here today and see them up close.
Yep, and take pictures and whatnot on the Griffiths Park Sculpture Trail.
Yeah.
More to follow. Walk here.
We found a beautiful, lovely trees.
And what have we been seeing on the trail so far?
A bunch of cool art.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which has been your favorite so far?
My favorite so far, let me think. Mine was those weird stick things.
You like the colored posts?
Colored sticks.
Okay.
Oh, the first thing we saw? The second thing we saw, the ones that look like kind of like noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How about you, Emily?
My favorite one was the Word Man.
I like the thing that looked like a shell.
What was your secondary favorite?
I like the colored posts too. Okay,
My second favorite
let's
was
go walk in the shade for a little.
There's no man.
Nope.
I feel like I'm in the jungle with a dinosaur or something.
Do you now?
The water's slipping out of my hands.
Yeah, Miss Emily here seems to be wilting in the heat, even though it's not that hot in the shade.
Yeah. I'm not wilting.
This thing.
I don't know. It's a birdhouse.
You think it's a birdhouse?
It has little holes. I don't know if the holes have another side though.
Well, go check it out.
Go look under it. Or something. It might be a butterfly house. Yep, it's a birdhouse.
You think?
No,
Pretty neat.
It's a shade. It's a shade. It's nice in here. It's a shade crater. It's nice in here, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
It's a shade. It has lots of shade over here in this corner of the right here. I thought it was a birdhouse.
Look at this guy.
I think I see two eyes. I see a smile.
Yeah, there's multiple faces depending on where you're standing. It's weird.
Yeah. There's multiple noses. There's actually another face over here too.
Mm-hmm.
And a face behind here. And a face behind. It's so weird. It's a good weird. Isn't it, Daddy?
Yeah.
Looks like it made out of some type of stone. Rock, maybe? Oh, this is cool.
I think it's clay. But I could be wrong. Actually, I think this is some kind of granite. Yeah.
And then-
Okay.
Hey everyone, so that was the last video that Mark had taken yesterday. And so that's the end of the video for yesterday. Yes, yesterday. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comments below what you thought of Mark's camera skills. We did talk about him making sure that he turns off the radio if he's going to film in the car, and about holding the camera sideways so that the picture is longer. And so let me know in the comments below what you thought of his camera skills. And if you like our content and you want to see more adventures that we take in the Northeast, hopefully we'll get out of New York State again soon, please make sure to subscribe. And please like and leave comments for us. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.